What if I told you there's a hidden goldmine niche out there, and no one's talking about it yet? Yeah, it's real. And the best part, you don't need any fancy skills or expensive tools. If you're breathing and watching this the moment I drop it, well, congrats. Today might just be your lucky breakthrough. Look, I could just keep this to myself, but that ain't me. So here's proof. A channel with only 16 videos just exploded. 17 million views. Yup, 17 million with just 16 uploads. Insane ratio, right? I mean, did they bribe the algorithm? Hypnotize YouTube? Nope, just found a sweet spot. And oh, they also gained 617K subscribers. Bro, that's 500,000 fans from barely posting. I cracked their code, and today, you're getting it. Step by step. If you follow this till the end and don't quit halfway, you'll be ahead of 99% of people still thinking about starting. And yes, this niche prints real dollars. So hold tight. Before I drop the exact niche, let me show you something wild.
All right, let's get straight to it. You're tired. You need to wake up and reach for coffee. Boom! Suddenly, you're a fully functioning human being again. But why? What kind of black magic is this?
Now do you get it? This niche is about explaining wild concepts in hilarious, simple ways. Short, snappy, fun, and addictively watchable. And you can do it too. These videos don't even have to be long.
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20+ zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Step 1. Video ideas. Hop on to ChatGPT or DeepSeek, set a target, like 20 uploads in 30 days, tell the tool what your niche is, and boom, it'll spit out pure gold. Just like this. I got 20 viral-worthy titles in seconds. Now pick one and script time. Use this prompt. Just swap the title, and ChatGPT crafts a killer script in the exact vibe as the viral channels. And yes, you don't need to stress. Even if you've never written a word before, AI's got your back. Here's my sample. 4,000 characters around 3 minutes. Clean, concise, and powerful. Next up, voiceovers. We're using an underrated gem, Fish Audio AI. First, shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Trust me, it's budget-friendly and the voices are shockingly good. Click the link in bio, sign up, and head to the Discovery tab. You'll see voices like Elon Musk, Trump, and more. Pick your flavor. Click Use Voice, paste in the script. Boom, instant AI magic. I mean, hearing Elon explain caffeine? That's a video on its own. Adjust loudness, tweak speed, add expressions like laughter, pauses, or even sighs. Try out V1. 6. It gives your voiceovers a professional polish with emotion baked in. Want to spice it up? Use the Advanced Audio Story mode. Yep, you can add multiple AI characters into one video. Paste the dialogue, add expressions, swap voices. It's like directing a mini-movie with 0 actors. Want to use your own voice? Fish Audio lets you clone it. Upload a clean 30-second sample. Name it. Add a logo. Done. You now have a digital twin voice ready to talk 24/7. Next step, visuals. I mix stick figure animations with cool AI images. Start by reading your script and picking the moments that need visuals. Use Leonardo AI for the image generation. If static pics don't do it for you, animate them using the motion feature. Click the image, crank the motion strength, and generate. Now your still image becomes a mini animated scene. For stick figures, go to Canva. Create a new project, choose a video template, upload the files, use a black background and start dropping in the stick figures. Change their color to white and align their appearance to match the script. Pro tip: click the 3 dots, Creator's Profile, I'll get matching stick styles. Add them to the timeline, sync with the voiceover. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's like digital Lego. Now jump into CapCut. Add captions using auto captions. Choose a clean font and make them pop. Uncheck Apply to All, Because we're going to animate each line differently. Text effects? Yes. Background music? Absolutely. And just like that, you've built a complete video in a niche with almost zero competition. You've got the strategy. You've got the tools. All you need now is execution. You show up for 30 days, and this niche will reward you. Period. Because by the time others realize the gold mine, you'll already be inside mining profits. So, will you act today or watch someone else